Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to embark on your next adventure? But wait, before you dash out the door, let's talk about something crucial. What's in your snack bag? You're at the airport, your stomach growls louder than the announcements overhead. You glance at the overpriced vending machine and shudder. But fear not. Today, I'm here to guide you through the world of healthy and hassle-free travel snacks that will keep you energized and satisfied on your journey. 1. Nutty Powerhouses. First up, we have the mighty nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, these little powerhouses are packed with protein and healthy fats. They're perfect for curbing hunger without weighing you down. Just grab a handful or two before you leave, and you'll have a crunchy companion for your travels. 2. Fruit leather rolls. Next, let's talk about fruit leather rolls. But not just any fruit leather. Look for options made from real fruit with no added sugars. These chewy delights are like nature's candy. They're sweet, satisfying, and provide a quick energy boost when you need it most. 3. Veggie Chips. Now, if you're craving something crunchy, Veggie Chips are your best friend. Kale, beet, or sweet potato chips offer a nutritious twist on traditional snacks. They're light, crispy, and won't leave your fingers covered in neon orange dust. Plus, they make you feel like you're indulging while still being healthy. 4. Dark chocolate-covered treats. For those with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate-covered treats are a guilt-free pleasure. Think dark chocolate-covered almonds or dried berries. They satisfy your cravings without the sugar crash that comes from regular candy. And remember, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, so it's practically health food. 5. Homemade trail mix. And then there's homemade trail mix, the ultimate choose-your-own-adventure snack. Combine your favorite nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and maybe even a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips for good measure. Portion them into small bags for easy grab-and-go snacking throughout your trip. 6. Greek yogurt parfaits. If you have a bit more time before your trip, consider packing Greek yogurt parfaits in small containers. Layer yogurt with fresh fruits and granola for a deliciously creamy treat that packs protein and probiotics to keep your gut happy while traveling. 7. Protein bars. Finally, don't forget about protein bars. They're convenient and come in countless flavors. Look for bars with minimal ingredients and high protein content to keep you full longer. Just be sure to check the labels. Some can be as sugary as candy bars. 8. Jerky. This high-protein snack is easy to store, mess-free to eat, and will keep you full throughout your flight. 9. Nut butter packets. At some borders, you won't be allowed to travel with produce, so bringing along nut butter packets is a great way to enhance whatever you get in the airplane. 10. Unsweetened toasted coconut chips. Get your taste buds to the tropics before your flight does, and sustain your energy levels while you're at it. Pro tip, get them chocolate-coated if you want some cocoa. Chapter 11. Dates with almond butter. Satisfy that sweet tooth and get some vitamins, minerals, proteins, and healthy fats in while you're at it. 12. String cheese. String cheese is a good source of protein that easily fits in a personal bag or carry-on. What's more, it doesn't smell, which is important when traveling in enclosed spaces. 13. Dried fruit. If you often find yourself wandering by the candy sections at airport newsstands, try packing dried fruit like mango or apricots instead. 14. Dry roasted edamame. A lightweight snack, pulling heavy weight, dry roasted edamame reportedly offers 14 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber per serving. 15. Apple chips. The crunch of a chip and the caramelized sweetness of candy, but low in fat and high in fiber. Enjoy the fresh flavor of apples without worrying about browning or refrigeration. 16. Moon cheese. The manufacturers of moon cheese developed a process to remove moisture from cheese, thereby letting you eat cheddar, Gouda, and pepper jack wherever and whenever. No refrigeration necessary. 17. Pretzels. If you love a classic in-flight pretzel bag, bring your own, perhaps coated in yogurt, so that you won't be tempted to steal your neighboring passengers while they're asleep. A. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. There's nothing more satisfying than a PB&J sandwich. Whole grain bread is even more hearty, and it won't get too soggy. Just check for allergies first. 19. Roasted seaweed. This low-calorie treat allows you that salty satisfaction, but also fills you up with a ton of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and vitamins C and A. 20. Packaged olives. At some borders, you won't be allowed to travel with produce, so bringing along nut butter packets is a great way to enhance whatever you get in the airplane. So there you have it, your guide to healthy and hassle-free travel snacks. With these delicious options packed in your bag, you'll be ready to conquer any journey without the dreaded snack attack. What are your go-to travel snacks? Share your favorites in the comments below so we can all enjoy tasty adventures together. Happy travels, everyone! May your journeys be filled with flavor and fun.